Okay, watch this now. Watch what we're gonna do. I'll take this waffle maker, open it up, and I'm just gonna put in, I don't know how much, I'll just show you, okay, instead of me talking about it. Just a very little bit in the center like that. Let's say half the amount. Set a timer for 2 minutes. Watch this. So I'm gonna take it out. Yeah, look at this. Look at the edges on there. Isn't that fun? It's really cool. And I'll show you what we're gonna do with that when we go to plating. So it has natural dividing points in a waffle, right? So I'm just gonna cut that into 4, tear apart, whatever you wanna call that, and then just sort of stack them like that to make it look fun and really take advantage of those edges that are there to create something different. Anytime you can build some height, you know, that looks better than just doing this, right? There's nothing wrong with that. It's a nice waffle on a plate, but when you can do something fun and create some height to it and really play around with the presentation, it just, I don't know, it's just something more appealing to that, right? I got some maple syrup. We're just gonna do a nice cascading. Great thing about waffle, you have these nice big pockets that hold all that syrup in there. I cheated tonight and I got the spray can whipped cream. Apologize for that. I'm just gonna put a little dollop like that. And then for the pinnacle of garnish, we're gonna top it with a nice mint sprig. And also, let's not forget about our toasted pecans. And I do that a little bit, so a little bit gets on the whipped cream and some along the plates. Look at that. What a nice presentation that is, hey, having them stacked like that. Oh yeah.